I had my body catalyst treatment. It was super, honestly, it was pretty damn painful. It actually did hurt quite a bit for me when they put the machine on my pocket, and it was quite painful for about 15 minutes. But Amy reassured me. She told me to just keep breathing through it, and I didn't want to stop, so I kept going. And after about 15 minutes, it got so cold in the area that I actually didn't have to worry at all. By the end of it, I was on my emails and it was no problem at all. So the whole thing took about 90 minutes. Amy was amazing the whole time. She really made me feel reassured. And after the procedure, when the machine actually came off my stomach, she actually massaged the area until it all dissolved and was as normal again. I'm super excited to see the results. So they say it can take up to 12 weeks, but some people start seeing results from as little as 4 weeks to 6 weeks. But by 8 to 12, you should really start seeing more, and I cannot wait. I definitely want to make sure that the pain that I went through was worth it. I have been a little bit sore as well in the days afterwards. My stomach's just been a little bit more tender. It kind of feels, when there's something against my skin, kind of like a sunburn, like it's just a little bit sore. But I really think it's going to be worth it. After seeing a lot of the before and after pictures that Amy showed me in our initial consultation, I am very, very excited.